Developing SQL databases, implementing memory-optimized tables, and native stored procedures. Introduction. The Implementing Memory-Optimized Table and Native Stored Procedure module provides you with instruction and advice to develop your hands-on skills in the following topics: working with memory-optimized table, managing natively complied stored procedure, and it will take approximately 60 minutes to complete this lab. Next. But before that, ensure you are paired on the required device and connect to PLAB SQL1. And while waiting, let's read exercise 1, working with memory optimized table. Memory optimized table is in SQL Server are tables that reside in the main memory of the system. The data is read from and written to the memory. You can create memory optimized table using the create table statement. These tables are fully durable by default of the copy of the table data is maintained on the disk for recovery purpose in the event of the server failure. Task 1, create a memory optimize table and insert data. In this task, you will perform the following actions: create a new memory optimized data file group, add the file group to existing AdventureWorks DW 2016 CTP3 database, add a new file to newly created file group, create durable memory optimized table name, insert records into employee detail table. So let's wait. From the PLAB SQL1 desktop, click Start and click Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. You may need to expand You may need to expand 2016 to see the Management Studio to connect. In the server name text box, type PLAB SQL1 and click Connect. The SQL Server Management Studio opens. In the Object Explorer, click Expand the Database folder. To select the database from the list of databases, click AdventureWorks. Click a new query. A new query pane opens. Step 6. Copy and paste. The first alter database statement in the query creates a new file group named AW_mod, and it is added to existing AdventureWorks DW 2016 CTP3 database. To run query, click Execute or press F5. The query runs successfully and the result set is displayed. Then step 7, click the new query. Type the following query in the new query pane. This query creates a durable memory-optimized table named Employee Details. The data in the table exists even if the database server faces an unexpected shutdown. To run the query, click Execute. The query runs successfully and the result is displayed. Step 8, to create, click New Query. Type the following in the New Query pane. This query inserts records employee table. To run, click Execute. The query runs successfully and the result is displayed. Step 9, click the New Query. Type the following query in the New Query pane. This query displays all the records from employee detail table. Click Execute. The query runs successfully and the result set is displayed. Next. Managing natively complied stored procedures. Natively complied stored procedure access data from memory optimized tables. In this exercise, you will perform the following task: create natively compiled stored procedures, enable statistics collections on natively compiled stored, collect the execution statistics for natively compiled stored procedures. Task 1, create natively compiled stored procedures and insert large data into memory optimized table. In this task, you will perform the following actions: create two natively compiled stored procedures and execute the dbo.storedproc underscore internet ramp temp natively compiled stored procedures. Step 1, click the new query. Type the following query in the new query pane. In this query, a natively compiled procedure named employee detail is created. So, to run the query, click execute or press F5. The query runs successfully and the result set is displayed. And then step 3, click the new query. Type the following query in the new query pane. Copy and paste. This query executes the natively compiled stored procedures named DBO, and then click execute. The query runs successfully. Step 4, click new query. Type the following query in the new query pane. Paste. This query displays the total number of records from employee detail table. To run, click execute. The query runs successfully and the result is displayed. Step 2, enable statistics collections on natively compiled stored procedures at the procedure and query level. The first action in this test is to enable the statistic collection on the natively compiled stored procedure using the system stored procedure name sys.sp underscore xtp underscore control underscore proc underscore exec underscore stats in the master database. Task 1, in the Object Explorer under the database, click to expand the system databases master. Click new query. Copy and paste. A system stored procedure is executed in the query. Click execute. Step 2, to create a new query, click and then type the following query in the new query pane. A system stored procedure is executed in the query. Click execute. The query runs successfully and the result is displayed. In Object Explorer under Database, click AdventureWorks, and then New Query. Type the following query in the New Query pane. Paste. The query will retrieve all the displayed definition of natively compiled stored procedure from the system catalog view. Execute. The query runs successfully and the result set is displayed. Step 4, click New Query. Step 4, click the new query and then tap the following query in the new query pane. Paste. This query retrieves and displays the information from the System Dynamic Management view. Click Execute. The query runs successfully and the result set is displayed. To view the other columns in the result pane, horizontally from the left to right. Task 3, collect the execution statistics from a fully compiled stored procedure. Step 1, in the Object Explorer, click the AdventureWorks, click New Query, tap the following query in the New Query pane. The execution statistic failure for natively compiled stored procedure is not on by default. Click Execute. The query runs successfully and the result set is displayed. And then step 2, click New Query, tap the following query in the New Query pane. In this query, the system stored procedures executed to manually enable the execution statistic features at the statement level as natively compiled stored procedures. Click Execute. The query runs successfully. In step 3, in the Object Explorer under the AdventureWorks DW 2016 CTP3, click to expand and then programmability and then stored procedures. To create, click the new query, type the following query in the new query pane. In this query, the data is retrieved and displayed from the stored procedure. Click Execute. So, the query runs successfully and the empty result is displayed. And the result set that uses natively compilation column display and then close all the windows. Next. Done. Developing SQL databases, implementing memory optimized table and native store procedures. You covered the following activities in this module: working with the memory optimized table, managing natively compiled stored procedures.